Good morning. It's a beautiful fall Wisconsin summer day. I think it was about just around the 50-degree mark last night, so the water's kind of cooled off a little bit. We're on the river today, hunting some smallies, maybe a few pike, see if there's any of them or any muskie laying around, so hopefully we'll find something today. I haven't really fished this. I came out one morning for like, I don't know, it might have been an hour, and it was so windy and just not good conditions. Actually, the water was probably about, well, you can see how high it was, probably up to the mark where you see the overhanging trees and whatnot. That's probably where it was when I last came out, so it's definitely gone down a little bit. Well, finally got one. It's a pretty good sized perch. And he's gone. Little perch. But you're not what I want. Where's the fish that eat you? This one's a little bigger. Oh yeah, that's a really good perch. Whew. Damn. Come here. I'm trying to. Oh my god. Now you've done it. Oh yeah. It's got the red breeding fins too. Where are the fish that eat you? That's what I want to know. That's not as bad as it could have been. Oh my god. It's one after the other. They're getting bigger. Fine. But where are the bass? Honestly, fine. You guys can keep doing that all day. Well, it only took like an hour and a half, but I think we finally got a smallie. Oh my god. Wait, is that? Yeah. Well, that's a pretty big one though. Oh yeah. Holy cow. Jesus. That's a monster. I didn't even have time to set the hook. Wow. Alright. No, it's been a real struggle for the last hour and a half, but I've switched over to more of a crayfish imitation, and first cast with it, right up against those rocks back there. Didn't even have time to set the hook. That thing came like a fucking bullet after it. Well, I think we found the sweet spot though. Oh. It's gonna snap the line. There we go. It's another beauty of a smallie. Oh my God. Jeez. Yeah, these guys are big. Let's go. Okay. There we go. Oh my God. Well, day started out pretty slow, but yeah. Try to get the sunlight on that. That's a beautiful fish. Thanks for the parting gift. I guess that's fair. Bashing you along the rocks there. Nah, I had a little bird's nest, and all of a sudden I saw the line going, and I said, it was a fuck moment. Well, I could turn around right now and be happy. But I mean, if it's this good right now, and I've made like 4 or 5 casts, yeah, we're going after some more. We'll just keep the net open too.